Hello there, this is Roberto Matthews. Today I have a very cool tip for you. Hopefully, it's something that will show my appreciation for all of those who are current subscribers and who are interested in becoming subscribers. As a matter of fact, this tip that I'm going to give you, hopefully, if this video gets plenty of likes and plenty of views, I'll see that as a reason to continue doing this. And what is it that I'm going to do? I'm actually going to give you some of my code so that you can apply it to anywhere. And to show you how it works, when you do download it and apply it, I'm going to show you using three situations. The first situation is if you actually are writing the code yourself straight into the to your website and uploading it, and that's why I'm going to use this W3 Schools. The second situation is going to be a blogger site. We're going to upload it onto a blogger blog, and then we're going to go ahead and create a new mobilized site with the code. So I'm going to show you how to do all three of those things. So let's begin. Okay, so what is this code that I'm talking about? Well, simply put, it's a video lightbox. This is the code that I want to give you, a nice video lightbox code that you can apply anywhere. And it's so simple that it's, well, not simple, but it's so concise that it's only a one-page PDF that I'm going to send you. Okay? And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can get this code. But let me show you how to apply it. Once you get the code, it's basically cut and paste. Let's go ahead and cut and paste each section. So you're going to have three sections. This is the HTML section, the CSS, and down here the JavaScript. Now there's a few caveats. I've tried to put as much comment as I could. If you make any changes to the IDs, obviously you update your CSS accordingly and your jQuery. If you do not have jQuery or don't have it embedded, I'm going to show you really quickly how to go about getting that really easily. Okay, so let's go right ahead. So let's imagine you've downloaded the PDF and you're going to go ahead and apply it to your site. So basically, we're going to make it right here. All you have to do is copy and paste. So we're going to copy and paste this first part. Copy, paste. And so I have here a few things. I have here a couple of link codes. And these link codes have images in them. Obviously, you can change these images to anything you'd like. But I just did this for clarity. And then down here we have our modal. Okay, right now there's nothing except this close button right here. Okay, now if you have access to your head in your HTML, you want to create some style tags. Okay, and then we're going to put the next part in. Now this is an optional reset. If you want to use a reset, we're going to go ahead and use the reset. So let's see here. Going to copy that. We're going to put that in our style tag. Let's reformat this. Now when we run it, we have everything all set up like so. Okay, I still don't have any functionality on our buttons. All that functionality is going to come from the JavaScript, or the jQuery in this case. In order to add the jQuery, right before your body tag, you want to put script tags, just like that. We're going to go back down here all the way to the JavaScript. Copy and paste. Now, notice that nothing is still happening. That's because we don't have JavaScript enabled. So let me show you how to do that. There's a couple of ways, but the easiest way that I know how to do it is if I go to W3 Schools, click on jQuery, and then click on jQuery Get Started. And this is what you're going to need, the CDN. So just copy this. Let's go in our case here. we're going to go to the head and write in the head right here after the title. Now when we click on this, beautiful. And what's great about it is that it's responsive both this way and this way. You see? So that way, if you are landscape or portrait, you'll be able to have this completely responsive. The other thing I added to this is that when you play it, hello there, this is Roberto Matthews. Instead of a quick tip, when you're ready to have it expand. Now this particular accordion, each panel can open completely, but I'm also going to show you how to be X here. It actually pauses or stops the video. Okay. So that's how we apply it if you're actually going directly into your site. Let's see how we apply it to our Blogger blog. Okay. Now, if you have Blogger, what you want to do is you want to go to your theme and edit HTML. And the reason you want to edit HTML is because you want to go here to search, and to press search, you're going to do Command F or Control F on the Windows, so you can get your little search bar here, and you're just going to type in jQuery and press enter. Now in my case, I've already put the script tag here right before the head tag. If you don't have jQuery, you must add that same jQuery that I added prior to your theme. Then you're going to click Save Theme. Otherwise, obviously, it won't work. Then you're going to go to your blog. In my case, I'm going to go to Sites by Blog here. And then we're going to go to Posts. And let's create a new post. Let's call it Video Lightbox. Okay. And so now we have Video Lightbox. Now in your HTML tab, not the Compose tab, but in the HTML tab, you're going to add all that code. So let's go ahead and do that. So since it's all the HTML is all together here, we can just go ahead and put the HTML in, say copy. Okay, so that part's in. Then before this, we're going to put style tags. And then after this, we're going to put script tags. Okay, so as you might have guessed, next part is we won't need this reset for Blogger. So let's just go ahead and copy the rest of this. Put that in our styles. Okay, and then we're going to go back to this JavaScript here, say copy, push that in there, say publish, let's say view. Here's our videos that we had before, and as you can see, it works. Let's make sure it works in the cell phone version. So let's go to the mobile version here. Let's reset this. Now in our mobile version. And as you can see, it works this way or landscape. And if we change our cell phone size, it changes our video size. Okay? Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and add it to Mobilize. So we're going to go ahead and create a new site. And we're going to use, let's try to just Mobilize 4 here. Okay. Let's go ahead and add a heading here, or a menu bar. And then let's add a heading area. And then let's add a couple of features. So if you're not familiar with Mobilize, Mobilize is a really intuitive and easy way to create a website. And so I use it for a few of my sites, for my client sites. It's really nice, but I'll show you what's really cool about it. So we added some features, we added some services, Let's add these services here, and then let's add social, maybe teams, and then a footer. There you go. So now we have our site kind of set up already. Now there's a special extension here. These are all the extensions. This is a free extension. It's a free code editor. If you look at another video, I've showed you how to set that up. And we're going to go ahead and add that. We're going to put our videos right here in between. So let's go ahead and go to extensions, put it in between here. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our edit code here, and we're going to add our first part, which is right here. Copy, select all for this, paste. Okay, and let's select all and fix our tab. Okay, and so when I say okay, we can put our style here, or there's another extension that I have here, which is also free, and it's this page settings extension. And what that allows me to do is go to my page and then say here inside the head code. So inside the head code, we're going to put style, and then we're going to go to our, again, we don't need a reset. So we're going to go here, say copy, and then paste. Okay, so now we have our style there. And then at the end of the body code, right before the body tag, is where we're going to put our script. Copy and paste. Okay, and so that saves that. And so now when we preview, here's our video links, and there are our videos. Now, you'll notice that the X button isn't coming up, and that's because this right here is the Z index is higher than the Z index that's here. So let's fix that. So let's go ahead and close this. Let's go to our CSS. And so we'll find Z index. Let's see. Z index for the modal is 10. So we're going to change this to 2000. And the Z index for the close button, here it is 2010. And now when we preview it, and we click on our video link, we have our X in front of everything like it's supposed to be. And what's great about this is that once we see what it looks like in the mobile version, this is our mobile version. Here are our videos again, and there we have it. It works beautifully. And that's how easy it was to create this. So let's talk about how to get this code. Well, if you want to get the code, all you have to do is follow the link in the description, and it's going to get you to the code. Again, this is free. The only thing I ask, of course, is if you would be so kind as to share, and if you feel inclined to, please subscribe. If I get enough people liking this video and sharing this video, I will go ahead and do another one. I'll probably do one with either whatever you pick in the comments or whatever is the best thing. Maybe we'll do a video lightbox with non YouTube videos, with your own videos that you upload to your server. How about that? If we don't have any other suggestions, that's probably will be my next one that I'll do. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Have a wonderful day, and thank you so very much to my more than 2,500 subscribers. Have a beautiful day.